Hey, this is a companion video to the quick demo I did showing how to import a tile set into Godot using my tileset formatter tool, and then we painted some level backgrounds with it. So in this one, I want to show you how the actual TRES file is set up. So firstly, the tile map obviously uses it here, and it set up two terrain 0, terrain 1, each with a color, and you would just do this normally by expanding this and adding a couple elements here. If we open this file up in a text editor like Visual Studio Code here, you can kind of see the contents of it, right? So here at the top, there's just some header stuff. We're using the tile set. We're using this texture, which is the one that we downloaded from the tileset tool. And then it kind of sets up the tile sizes. So here tile size is 64 by 64. And then if we go to the tile set in the setup tab here, it's also 64 by 64. And if we kind of look in this file, that's kind of what it's doing, the texture region size. And if you scroll all the way at the bottom, the tile size. And these are the terrains that it's set up over here. So the next thing is the paint tab, and you can see that all of this stuff was painted. So the white and the black here are the terrain 0 and the terrain 1. So terrain 0, which is the grass, has been painted with the black color here, and terrain 1 is the white. So if, for example, if we choose terrain 1 and put a dot here, now we are saying that this is a terrain 1 instead of terrain 0. And I'll just revert that back by painting with terrain 1. So normally you would have to do this by hand. Instead, we just did it through the tileset formatter tool by loading in the image and selecting the appropriate tile set pattern. And all the painting is just done for us by setting all of this stuff by code. So this is what would get generated if you were painting. So as an example, let's just scrunch this window down a little bit, and you can see the first one right here, terrain set, that's 0. That's the one that we chose here. Then the terrain is going to be 0 for this tile, and then the right side, and you can see that, so 0 is going to be the black one, right? So terrain refers to like the middle value, and then the right side here, that's 1, the corner is 1, bottom side, that's actually 0, and so on and so forth. So all of these are set up just like that. So yeah, say we go back to the tileset tool and we downloaded a slightly different combination. So these are exactly the same texture, right? But just different combination, and we load this one in. And then we substitute this one. You can see, obviously this is going to be all messed up because it's using the different tiles here, but this just automatically got updated and just painted correctly. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show. Again, this is the Tileset formatter tool. Check it out. It's on GitHub. That'd be it for me. And like I said, subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.